Okay, today we'd like to introduce some topic. Fiscal cooperation, right? Cooperation, fiscal. In addition, there are famous name that mean AI. So, what means the AI fiscal?
Fiscal form is the AI.
Fiscal objective. Okay. And basically, AI that means just artificial intelligence. You do anything to calculate, to forecast in the future. Okay. So AI applied to the means for the navigation. They have a navigation. So for anti-collision system. Okay. If we mention about the AI disco, AI disco just like the ship. They have some. Sometimes it's very easy collision if you let it distant they're narrow, right? So it's very easy to collision. So sometimes we design the AI disco. That means just like a circle. There are some distance. If some ship will nearby you, you will be alarmed, right? If the people normally the seatbelt will get alarmed, we have some ships will be very close to us. So in future, it's easy to, touch, right? Touch our ship, maybe collision. So will be alarmed. But right now, the AI will be set up your navigation system. We say AI collision system. OK，就是防撞系统。防撞系统之后呢，它是有个距离，就会有 alarm 出来。Alarm, OK, for alarm will give a message to the captain. So you should pay more attention because one ship, another ship will nearby you. OK, that means this total. But in measure of fiscal, that means this apply the system to what? What kind of ship? Okay, for example, this is a man ship. 这个是我们讲的人驾的船。Okay, this one is we say autonomous ship. Okay, 自驾船。In the European, you can find some autonomous ship already starting on the coastal service, special ferry ship, or sometimes they're very small, container ship. Okay, so they already apply this kind of autonomous ship. Okay, because the European the labor cost is very high, and also they have some sea fuel there are shortage problem. So 就是我们讲的人员短少，所以呢，他们在欧洲开发这种自驾船很多。So for example, Rotterdam, Port Rotterdam already have we say the barge, autonomous barge. Yeah, running sailing from coast A to coast B. Okay, so in European already have this kind of system, but in Asia because we have some people don't believe that autonomous will be happening in Taiwan too, because even some professor already teaching in the Department of Navigation don't believe someday will be happen this kind of autonomous ship will be anchored at Kaohsiung port. But you can see in recent, the Ukraine and Russia war already this kind of ship become bomb, okay, to attack the other ship already. And we also have focus in the future because our neighbor would like to attack on next year. So we already develop our drone, and also this kind of autonomous ship to prevent our port of Kaohsiung for security reason. 因为像这种自驾船，其实在发展的无人船的时候，其实在高雄发展越来越多哈，是变成我们的工业。So today I will teach you what's the fiscal. That means you can see their objective. That means in future your application not just focus on how to design program, how to coding the program. In the future you have to think about what kind of program I can apply for the robot. What kind of program I can apply to autonomous, I mean, sir, car. Okay, car, robot, housekeeper, and so on. So it's your idea. So that means in the future, physical is important, not just the design program for software. Okay, so let me see the physical port. Yeah, physical port already know. Physical port, they have offer some service for, I mean, shipping company, and sometimes for a cargo owner. Sometimes it belong to, we say, the service provider, right? So they have some geographic location and offer some service to the, I mean, sometimes the virtual port or some digital twin port. That means physical, you can see the port, and also invisible port. That means, we say twin port, right? We say digital twin port， 叫数位港口。一个叫实体港，还有一个叫虚拟港口这样子。So in Japan, they say the port they have divided the two parts. First part we say physical port. Another that means okay. In Japan, they have some program that means 2330. They have a port development plan. That means they will set out the cyber port and the physical port. Special for the cyber port. They have to do, for example, the fully automatic configuration, remote control center. Okay, so in the future, this kind of cyber port will be changed. Even the deal with the IoT, AI, will be applied to the Japanese port. So in the port, in the future, you can see nobody will be, nobody will walking at the port. All the majority people will be working on the remote control center. Okay, because you give service to autonomous ship, no seatbelt on board. So the people just, only the seatbelt, only locate on the remote control center. So in the future, our education system will be changed. So how to teach your student become got a job in the remote control center, the staff, very important, even including major at the Department of Logistics, Department of Information, Department of Shipping and Transportation. In the future, also we got a job in remote control center. Okay, so it's our new target. In future, give a lecture, how to teach your student got a job in the remote control center, very important. 就是以后呢，工作会在远端空中，因为所有的编辑在操作，所以这是一个新的事业。Okay, so just to review what kind of port. First one we say where, key, the same first, and also the breakwater, and those farewell, that means the shipping road, and also turning basin, that means you will be turning. What means turning basin? I just give a lecture. Just like a dry car, basin, that means just like your ship will be ended here because your anchor place is terminal number 7, okay? So you should be like a dry car with a U-turn, right? U-turn. So, from here, you have the top ball, will give you a hand, top ball give you a hand to turning, like this one. Basically, top ball is like this. They have some, we say, top ball line, okay, to give you turnings from here. That means turning basin. Basically, turning basin with a 回转词吧。In person, that means you have turning this point, but basically they have the ship side will be larger 2 times. For example, the ship side means the legs 400 meter. For example, so basically your turning vessel will be 500 meter, 800 meter.